Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable weekend and ready for another big trading week. So, we can see that with the market open, we can expect to have some significant trading opportunity tomorrow. So, before we discuss how we can trade on the lower time frame, let's quickly look at higher time frame on gold to see how the market is evolving. Now, from the higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that this is the monthly price action. There is a long wick candle here with a long wick doji, and this is almost the beginning of the month. In the beginning, we saw that the market has dropped here. Currently, the price is bouncing back to the upside, and I think that the price may retest this monthly resistance and then could continue to drop again. Looking at the weekly chart to see how the market is doing, we can see that from the weekly, there was a drop here below this weekly support level, and then the market grabbed the liquidity from this support, has got a bounce to the upside. Now, with that bounce, currently the market is approaching that resistance level on the weekly chart, and with this resistance, what I think that as there is a strong rejection expecting further bounce and to retest this monthly resistance before breaking below. Dropping down to the daily chart, what we can see that there is a daily bullish engulfer followed by a narrow small daily doji, which is a potential a continuation pattern. And I think that with the market open, we could see that gold is moving back to the upside to this liquidity zone to the resistance before bouncing back to the upside further or dropping down again. To feel that weekly long weeks, we still can expect further downside on gold after a retest. Dropping down to the 4 hour time frame, we can see a little more clearer picture, and which is potentially still for me locally bullish. We can see that there was a gap open followed by a doji, another bounce followed by deeper pullback with multiple liquidity grab, and followed by we can see the market is strongly bullish. There was previous session, there is a liquidity candle formation. If we turn on our liquidity candle tool, we can see that the market here form a liquidity candle, which is a sign of further bullish momentum, expecting for the market now to go back to this liquidity zone. If you closely look at it, you can see there is a weakless candle, which is high liquidity zone, and expecting gold to move back to that level before breaking up further or dropping down again. So for the time being, we can expect upside on gold. Looking dropping down to day trading time frame from the 15 minutes, we can see there was a breakdown, which is basically a pure again liquidity gap here. And with that breakdown, what we have seen, the market managed to bounce back up. It's a sign that the trend may remain bullish for at least to this level, as we can see that the market currently maintaining series of higher high and also higher low with multiple false breakdown, that is giving a high momentum for gold for potential bounce to the upside. So in this lower time frame, if we find suitable entry opportunity as soon as market open, we will be looking for entry opportunity on gold for this potential bullish move to the upside with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So with that said, thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.